Why infrastructure as code, IaC, is a game changer. Managing servers manually is outdated. Earlier, setting up infrastructure meant manual configuration, server setup, human errors. Now, everything is automated. What is infrastructure as code? Writing infrastructure using code instead of manual setup. Tools: define servers, networks, databases in configuration files. Popular tools: Terraform, AWS CloudFormation. Why IT matters: consistency, same setup every time, speed, deploy in minutes. Version control, track changes, real-world impact. You can recreate entire environments with one command. Common mistakes: hard coding, values, ignoring security, poor modular design. What good engineers do right: reusable code, use environment configs, automate everything. The shift from manual setup to programmable infrastructure. The final take: infrastructure is no longer physical. It's code, and code scales. Rocket emoji.